Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Amir Khan. I'm a postgraduate student of Chinese language and literature at Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi. In today's video, we'll be discussing why learn Chinese. But before that, I think it is equally important to understand that why anybody should be interested in China as a country. So China is the largest country in the world with a population of 1.3 billion people. That also means that it has the most spoken language of the world, and 1 in every 5 people in the world speaks Mandarin Chinese or other dialects of Chinese for that matter. So when you learn Chinese, China becomes very much decipherable because a gateway to a country's culture is also the language. So if somebody is interested in learning China's history and culture, I think Chinese language is very important. So of course there are numerous reasons why one should be learning Chinese. So we will divide it into 4 sections, and first being educational opportunities. Education in today's world is one of the most sought out after things for every individual, and China has some great universities which are majorly unknown to the Indian population. Universities like Peking and Fudan University are consistently ranked in top 100 in QS world rankings. Apart from that, there are other universities in China which are unknown and not featured in QS world rankings, but they are equally good for technical fields like engineering and medical sciences. A lot of Indians every year go to China to pursue MBBS as a profession in China, and the quality of education is of course great. Apart from that, one can also go for fields like Chinese language and literature, which is in demand in other countries for higher education as well. The second pointer being tour and travel. So if you are a tour and travel freak and you like to go to beautiful places, China has some of the best scenic landscapes in the world. It also has very attractive things like Terracotta Army, the Imperial Palace, the classical gardens of Suzhou and other places. China, apart from that, is also a food heaven because Chinese cuisine has taken over the entire world in various forms: Pan-Asian, Pan-American and other cuisines. So if you are a food freak and you want to try different cuisines around the world, China is one of the best places to try. The diversity is just unbelievable, and China has been divided into 4 cuisines, Sichuan being the most common one in India, but there are of course other great cuisines as well. Third reason is also one of the most important reasons, which is related to business. So if somebody is planning to elongate their business in China, China is of course home to 1.3 billion people, which makes it the largest consumer market in the world. A lot of people have benefited in manufacturing sector just by knowing Chinese. So learning Chinese of course benefits you in that sense, and China has proven to the world again and again that Chinese business and investment in China is always worth the money and the effort. So if somebody is also interested in business and is willing to expand their leaps and bounds in a different country, China is one of the great destinations, I would say. And our fourth reason would be a concern that should concern most of you when you are taking Chinese language as your ambition to learn in life, because in India, Chinese MNCs have a huge root situated inside the country, and they have an overall worldwide presence as well. So a lot of people who learn Chinese language, they land jobs in MNCs, which would average packet in recent years have been 10 to 11 LPA. And that is a huge motivation, I would believe, for anybody learning Chinese. Apart from that, I guess different job opportunities are also present abroad. A lot of people who have done Chinese in JNU and other places and who have better efficiency have landed a job in other countries as well.